Assalamualaikum. Good morning. How are you all? Ilsa, Hamna, Saf. Yeah. Look, Hamna, Saf is wearing uniform. Very nice. And Khiza always used to wear uniform. Very good. Good to see you guys. All of you. Barira Wajahat. Alina Abid. Why don't you switch on your camera? Hurry up. Can you? Mas Farooq. Very nice. Hira Talpar, Alina Abid, very good. Mas Farooq, good morning.
Good morning, Miss.
Okay. Okay, my camera is not. Okay, my dear. Your camera is not working. Okay. So, guys, and Maham Mushtaba got up right now? Amna. I can see, Walaikum Assalam, Ishmael. I can see all of you, my dear. And very good to see you early in the morning. Today we are having at 9:20. So guys, let's start our class. Yes?
आपकी आवाज बहुत ज्यादा कट रही है.
Okay. Can you hear me clearly? Can you hear me, Mas? Show me your raising hands. Okay, guys, I will unmute you, all of you. But when I will tell you to unmute yourself, then you will unmute. Okay, Shmal Khanam. Okay, let's start.
Okay.
Taha Khan. Okay, now attention, please. We will start our class. Okay, Mahabir Altaf, I can see you. Okay, guys, first I want to share you. Okay, so we start our class with the name of Allah Almighty, the most gracious, the most merciful, right? And okay, so guys, you all are SM Public, SMPians of Campus 5, right? Now, today our topic is subject-verb agreement, right? Yesterday we have learned subject and object. And I hope you all have learned very vividly because now you are able to identify what is subject and what is object. So, guys, you know very well that every sentence has mostly subject, verb, and object, right? So, guys, let me check how you miss. Yes, fine. Okay. So, guys, today we will discuss about subject and verb. You know, guys, subject is a work doer, the person who does any work, who does an action. And verb is an action word, right? Go, eat, swim, play, read, write. Here is an example. The 2 tickets are bought by me, or by flag. So here are 2 tickets means plural. So we use here are. Why? Let me explain. Walaikum assalam, beta. Very good. Aliza Adil. Okay. So guys, listen me first. Then I will talk to you. Okay. So subject and verb agreement. Today's topic. Yes. Subject and verb agreement. I have written here subject, the main person, animal, object or thing in the sentence, right? Some subjects are singular and some are plural. Like I is a subject, I is a singular. You is singular, but it is a subject. Whereas we is a subject, but we is plural subject. Okay, Aliza, please switch on your camera. Taha, I want to see you, my guys. And verb. Verb is the main thing in the sentence. Without verb, we do not write or read any sentence. We do not as well say. Like verb, the action or state of being in the sentence. The action or state having in the sentence. A sentence mostly is having a verb. Just like subjects, some verbs are singular and some are plural. Okay? Most singular verbs have an S. In present indefinite, especially, you see verb with plural. Like if we write go and we write goes with ES. Read and reads. So, and while plural verbs don't, like go is a singular verb and goes is the plural verb. So, similarly, subject verbs are also singular or plural. Okay. Singular example, he is, she shouts. She shouts means she is a singular and we use in present indefinite plural verb that is shouts. We do not write she shout. And it is very amazing in present indefinite, especially when we write singular subject, we have to write plural verb, but just in present indefinite. Okay. In other cases, we write singular subject with singular verb. Okay. In present, she shouts, he reads. Okay. So mom gives, mom is a singular and gives is a plural verb. So mom gives, etc. Plural examples, they are. They are the plural, they is a plural subject and verb is plural. So they are. But in present indefinite, we go. We is a plural subject, but go is a singular verb. We go. Jack and Jill run. Guys, between two subject we are having here and. And means both of them. Okay? And means both of them. Jack and Jill means both two boys run. Run. We do not write here runs. Jack and Jill means two boys. Here are plural subject and we write run. Okay? Now, oh my God. Yes. Yes. Let me see your chat. How are you, Miss Sleep? Who is sleeping? And walaikum assalam, Mahamujtaba. Okay. So, guys, here subject verb agreement. This is our today's topic. The subject and verb must agree. The subject must agree with the verb. Okay? Like the subject and verb must agree. If the subject is singular, the verb must be singular. If the subject is plural, the verb must be plural. But you need to remember that in present indefinite, we use different ways. In present indefinite, we use with singular subject, plural verb. Okay, Saad Anjum and Nabira, where are you, beta? Switch on your camera. And where is my Vanya Khan? I cannot see Vanya Khan. Okay, guys. Okay, subject must be agreed with verb. The subject and verb must agree each other. This is subject and verb agreement. This is most important, guys, because if you do not learn this concept clearly, you will not able to write correctly the sentence, right? Okay. Now, next slide. Can you see my slide? Yes. Some more examples. Here are the examples. Look at first column. I am. I am. We do not write I is, I are. We write always I am. This is very different way. You are. You either is a singular subject, but we use with plural verb. He is, she is, we are, they are, it is. Okay? So, subject agrees with verb. Am, are, is are auxiliary verb. Okay? There are many types of verb. Main verb. Hafsa Nawal, very good beta, wearing uniform. Very nice. So, always am, are, is are the auxiliary verb. Verbs are many types, auxiliary verbs and main verb. Okay. So guys, please mute your camera. Okay. So my dear students, now number 2 example. My dog always growls at me. My dog. My dog always growls at the postal carrier. My dog means singular subject. My dog is a singular subject. One dog. Always growls. Here is a plural verb, but this is a present indefinite sentence, right? So my dog always growls at the postal carrier. If I write over here, my dogs, so it would be growl. This is a present indefinite condition. My dogs always growl. When subject will be plural, the verb will be singular in present indefinite tense. Okay? So guys, now number 3rd example, plural subject, plural verb. We play. We play. These all example, both examples are of present indefinite tense, right? Okay, now next. Oh my God. Remember the 3 irregular verbs. Yes, let me read the chat. Maham, we eat. Very good. We eat. Mohammed Saad Anjum, very nice. Aman. Aman, you are here? Okay. Remember the 3 irregular verbs. Okay. Do, singular, he does. Do is a main verb, right? So in singular, he is a singular and does. D-O-E-S, does. Whereas plural, they is a plural and we use here do. They do. Have is an auxiliary verb, but sometime we use as a main verb. She has. Okay? She has. And they have. She is a singular subject. So we use she has, he has, it has, Alina has, Hamna has. Whereas they have means if I say Maham and Hamna have. Maham and Hamna have. Okay? Whereas be, where is, yes, be. Be is a form. B form is MR. So he is, they are. She was, they were. Okay, getting me? He is a singular and is a singular. Whereas they are the plural and are. They always used with are. Okay? Hamna, do you want to say something? I am giving you access of unmute. Unmute yourself and ask me something. Yes. Yes, Hamna. Oh, sorry. Amna Sham. Do you want to say something? Aman. Aman, Maham Mushtaba, raise up your hand if you want to say something. Hafsa Nawal. Okay. Hamna? Hafsa? Very nice. Good, my dear. So, guys, now take out your copy, English language copy. Take out your English language copy. Have you taken out? Show me your copy. English language. Yes, very good. And start writing index. Start writing index. Okay? Guys, yesterday we have done assignment number 38. Okay, beta Anshara. So you can see on Google Classroom, the virtual class. I have given the link of Google Classroom yesterday. Okay, so you can see on Google Classroom. Okay, they have very good. Amna Shah, Miss Aap kam. Yes, beta Amna. I will make you do the work. I will make you do the work. First, write the index. Yesterday, guys, we have done assignment number 38 and we have done exercise AB page number 42. So this is also a part of assignment number 38. Okay, so no need to write assignment number 38 again. I have written just to remind you. So keep writing, don't keep writing assignment number 38, just write exercise A, page number 43. Today we will do only one exercise, that is exercise A, page number 43. Okay? Okay, Malahim, very nice. You are good. You always do work on time. Yes, Aliza, what do you want to say, beta? Aliza? Yes.
मिस मेरा इंडेक्स खत्म हो गया
So please write at the back of the index or paste the page. Okay? Okay, my dear? But you should write final term, okay? At the back. You have two pages, I believe, at the back of the copy, right? Okay. Have you written your index, please? Have you all? Who is this? Thank you.
यस
Okay. Ilsa is here. So guys, have you written assignment number 38, exercise A, page number 43? Okay. Now, let me explain first exercise A, then I will make you do the work. Okay. So stop writing, keep your pencil and please understand it. Get it, beta, okay? First, let me explain. Okay. Question, write these sentences choosing the correct verb from bracket. Are you watching? Tick. The overall, the two verbs are here in the bracket. Too big for me. The overall is or are, because overall always plural and we write overalls here. I did not write here as this, that was mistakenly I did not write s over here. So the overall are too big for me. Okay. Number 2, everyone of the boys, everyone of the boys has or have done
have
homework. Has or
have
has? Has?
yes
Mm,
have
no. Has, not have. Okay, Lisa is correct. Has. because we are going to the subject everyone, not the boys. Every one of the boys has done his homework. Taha, good, right? Yes, Taha Khan was right. Aliza also. Okay, you was or were both seen at the
Were.
pictures last night. Were.
You were both
Good.
seen at the
Yes,
pictures
you
last night.
were. Can you see that text? Aliza Khan, very nice. Aliza, I can see you. Okay, you were. You were both seen at the pictures last night. So we always use were with you. Now, the fourth one is very important to understand. Either Salim or Mahmood is or are to blame.
Are.
Miss,
Are.
Miss,
I will tell you, beta, about winter vacation homework. Amna Sham, I will tell you. I will tell you. So either Salim
The
or
answer is
Mahmood
are.
is or are. No, not are, not are.
We have to
Wait,
Is.
wait,
Is. Either Salim or Mehmet.
wait. Let me explain. Either Salim or Mahmood. Guys, you are watching here or between Salim or Mahmood means one of them, not both of them. One of them.
hello, Miss.
Yes, my dear. Farhan.
Hello, Miss.
Yes,
Hello.
Farhan. What happened? Yes.
Yes, Miss. Miss, Assalamualaikum, Miss. Miss,
Walaikum assalam.
my
Yes, Farhan.
Miss, I am Farhan
I
from
know. I know. Yes. Say beta.
मिस मिस मेरे कनेक्शन में प्रॉब्लम हो गई थी
Okay, okay.
मेरे कनेक्शन में प्रॉब्लम हो गई थी
I can listen you, beta. I can hear you. Okay, my dear. Okay, so either Salim or Mahmood is or are to blame. Means Salim or Mahmood means one of them, not both of them. So we write here is. Okay, we write here is. So either Salim or Mahmood is to blame, not are. Number 5, the number of foreign cars is or are growing. Is or are? Is because the number of foreign cars, the number is a subject. So is. Very good. Everybody who wants or want to come will be welcome. Everybody wants. Very good.
Everybody who wants to come will be welcome.
Very good. Very good. Wants. The town council meet or meet
Miss,
this afternoon.
Meets.
Yes, meet. Miss the town
Meets.
Meets afternoon.
Meets. Very good. Meets. Town council is a singular subject, right? No want, my dear. Who is saying want? No. Taha wants. There would be wants. Everybody. Everybody.
Miss, we have to write this in the copy.
Sorry. Hamna,
We have to write this in a copy.
no, not right now. I'm sharing one more screen, then I will make you do, okay? So, guys, are you getting it? And Amna, what were you asking, Dad? In winter vacation, which cartoon movie do you like most? You have to write your favorite cartoon movie and write the antagonist means villain. Okay, the negative role in the story or movie. Okay, okay, Amna, got it, beta?
Thank you, Miss.
Okay. So, my dear, now let's have another screen, another slide. Now, guys, I'm making you do the work by this slide. Now, see this slide. See this slide. This is the work. Write the date in your copy. Can you see my slide? Everyone? Yes. So subject and verb agreement. Okay. Subject and verb agreement, write the heading. Hurry up, beta. Write the heading with blue color pencil. First of all, you must write the date. Every and each page should be dated. So write the date.
मिस ऊपर की एग्जांपल्स भी लिखनी है
Yes, you have to write the examples also. The subject of the sentence and its verb must agree. Examples, the bottle is empty, full stop must be over there. Don't forget the punctuation mark. And the bottles are empty. These two examples are from your book. The bottle is empty. The singular subject is empty. The bottles are empty. Okay? Now, write exercise A. Okay? Write exercise A. Who would
4 बिट्स करना है
sorry?
मिस हमें ये 4 बिट्स ही करना है
5 bits, my dear. 5 bits.
ओके मैम
Question, write the question. Write these sentences. First letter should be capital, my dear. Write these sentences choosing the correct verb from the brackets. Full stop. Full stop must be there at the end of sentence. Make sure. Write these sentences choosing the correct verb from the bracket. I did not write, guys, verb, V-E-R-B. I missed it. So you will write V-E-R-B, verb. I have written wrong spelling of verb. Can you see?
इस फाइल पे करने
Sorry, my dear. Yes? Have you written?
Excuse me, miss.
Yes, my dear.
मिस हमें क्वेश्चन एक्सेस ए नेक्स्ट पेज पे करनी है
Yes, next page pe. If you can do on the same page, you can do better because one line for this definition and 3 lines for examples. So you can do on the same page. It's up to you, my children. Okay. So number 1, the overalls are overalls in bracket. Put in front your book. Okay.
इस फाइल
Put the book in front of you. Put the book in front of you. Overalls in bracket is or are too big. What to be here? Are. Put the tick on R. Put the tick on R or circle R with blue color pencil. You can circle with blue color pencil. The overall in bracket is or are too big. Full stop, my dear, with neat and clean writing, beautiful writing. Circle R with blue color pencil so that it will be prominent. Number 2, every one of the boys has or have done his homework. Has. Circle has or color has with blue color pencil. Color has. Number 3, you was or were both seen at the pictures last night. So you were, you know it. Were, color were with blue color pencil. Okay? Color were with blue color pencil. Okay? Are you doing? Now, number,
मिस जो आंसर है उसको
sorry? Yes?
मिस जो आंसर है उसको ब्लू कलर लिखना
Yes,
है
color with blue color pencil or tick, you can tick. Number 4, which in bracket is or are cheaper, which cheaper kebab
मिस
and
हमें
paratha.
ब्रैकेट में लिखना है
Yes, bracket, in bracket. Write in bracket is or are, 2 options, write in bracket. But circle with blue color pencil, the correct one. Okay?
Okay.
Which dash cheap
Miss,
kebab and paratha or fish and chips? Kebab and paratha.
Which is cheaper kebab? Which
Yes,
is cheaper
is,
kebab in
is.
paratha?
Good,
Fish and
good.
chips?
Is.
Miss,
Yes, Barira. Very good. Is. Not are. Why? Because kebab
Miss,
and paratha one dish and fish and chips one dish. And between both dishes, or is here. Yes, my dear, who wants to say? Yes.
In first bit number, the overalls are after overalls. There is no R in the book.
Yes, yes. You write with book. I have written wrong here. The overalls is or are too big for me.
Miss,
Yes. Yes, my
we
dear.
have taken in book.
Yes. Just you have to do 5 bit. Okay. Number 1 is
I can find the page.
little bit wrong. The overalls I have written over here are. I should not write over here are. Just you write the overalls.
Miss, I can't find the page number.
Page number 43, my dear. Page number 43 in your Nelson Grammar book. Subject and verb agreement. I told you in the beginning. Got it, Hafsa?
मिस
Yes.
तो मैं बोलने जाती हूँ कोई ना कोई बीच में
Sorry? I cannot.
मिस हमें इस पे टिक
Yes. Take or color the correct one. You can color with blue color pencil.
और कलर
You can make the circle with blue color pencil. The correct one answer.
Excuse me, miss.
Yes, yes, beta.
Okay.
Yes.
मिस मैंने लेट ज्वाइन किया है ये काम हमने कॉपी में करना है बुक में करना है
No, my dear, you have to do your English language copy so that you will
English
submit your yes, English language copy. Okay. Okay. Number 5, the crowd pour or
Number 2 का आंसर क्या होगा?
has.
The crowd pour out of the crowd because crowd is a like plural.
Here is crowd is a collective noun and singular. This is a collective
Miss
noun.
का आंसर क्या होगा?
The crowd pours out of the ground. Pours.
Pour.
Pours. P-O-U-R-S. It's P-O-U-R-S. Okay, my
मिस
dear.
नंबर 3 का आंसर बता दें.
You were. Got it?
Okay.
Have you written? Have you all written?
No, miss.
Miss Anila? Done, my dear? Have you written?
No. Miss 2 minutes.
And number 4, have you gotten number 4? Which is or are cheaper, kebab and paratha or fish and chips? Why here is? Which is why? Because kebab and paratha is one dish and fish and chips is another dish. And between two dishes, we write here or, means one of them. Means one of them. Nabira Kaleem, have you written, beta?
Miss, I have done my work.
Miss.
Malahim, have you written, my dear?
Yes,
थोड़ी
miss.
देर और रुक जाए. मिस मैं कह रही थी कि जो है ना आपने अब हमें वो करवा दिया कि कौन सा वर्ब वो यूज होगा तो मैं कह रही थी अब हम काम स्टार्ट कर ले और ब्रैकेट्स बनाए या फिर
Definitely, my
सिर्फ
dear, you should start your work.
the overalls are too big for me या फिर हम लिख के the overall bracket is R bracket are too big for me.
Just you write the overalls, okay, bracket, is or are, bracket close, too big. And then circle the blue one, that is are. Okay, that is are.
मिस आपकी आवाज नहीं आई, ज्यादा कट रही है.
Okay,
Miss, I have done my work.
okay, okay. Malahim, have you
मिस
done?
आखिरी वाले का पुअर होगा ना?
Yes, miss.
Miss,
Yes. Anshara, have you
Miss,
done?
I have done my work.
Okay, okay. The submission date you know very well, 23rd of January, Saturday. Okay? Send your English
Miss,
language
कितनी
copy.
मिनट तक करना है?
Sorry.
5.
Okay, guys, write in your comment box. Oh, done, my dear. Everyone, raise your hands. Done.
Miss, 2 minutes, only 2 minutes.
Okay, okay.
Miss,
I'm giving 2 minutes. Okay.
Miss,
What happened, Malahim?
मिस हमें कितनी मिनट नंबर तक करना है?
5. Just 5. Okay? Malahim, write in chat, beta. Whatever you want to ask. Okay, guys. Have you all done, I believe?
मिस
Yes. Yes.
मिस हमें ये एवरी बिट नंबर 2 में हमें हेल्प पे टिक करना है या हेल्प पे?
Bit number 2. Everyone has. H-A-S,
Okay.
has. And I will appreciate if you speak up English.
Okay.
Why are you speaking Urdu? This is your English class. Speak up in English.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. In bit number 3 we
Just 2
We
minutes
should-
I left, my dear. Now, back to our slides. Okay. Have you done? Now, yes, chat. Yes. Okay, my dear. Okay. What, Mas? What to tell you, beta? Write in chat box. Okay. So it's time to say Allah Hafiz. Oh, sorry. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for understanding everything. Thank you for doing your work. Pores. Number 5. Pores, my dear Mas. Pores. P-O-U-R-S. Pores. Okay? Pores. 1 minute is left, my dear. I believe you have done nicely and clearly. Miss Hafsa, what do you want to say? Miss will tell me the answer of the
Miss?
38. What 38?
Assignment.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, my dear. Wallpaper is again very nice. The slide is
Miss,
nice. Yes. Yes, my dear. Say bye. You
मिस आप अपलोड करेंगी?
Inshallah. Sure. Okay. And now thank you for being with me. Thank you for doing your work.
Miss,
Yes.
जो यहाँ पे आप असाइनमेंट करवाती है वो असाइनमेंट भी देती है?
जी. Yes.
ये जो अभी आपने कहा है वो असाइनमेंट में भी जाता है?
बिल्कुल जाता है.
इसलिए जो बच्चे ना करें तो
Assignment. Always upload the Google Class. May Allah bless you. Keep keep remembering in your prayer.
Allah Hafiz.
Remember me.
Miss,
Allah Hafiz.
what exams of midterm?
Allah Hafiz, miss.
Allah Hafiz, bete. Aliza Khan, have you done your work? Raise your hand. Aliza Khan.
Miss.
Okay. Isra Tanzeel.
Miss,
I did not
Miss-
see you today. Yes.
Miss, what is the
चलो मैं चल रहा है